Where am I? Home Depot. What for? Get some of these. Okay, my van is inspected. It is repaired. Let's hope it stays. And I got an oil change. Now we're going to assess the Twinkie and see how she held up during last night's windstorm, rainstorm. It was bad. See, it really, really rained. We do have a little bit of flooding. Oh, no. Nice. Flooding right in front of the door. Clips everywhere. In the water. And, yikes. Okay. I bought a new tarp. So we'll put that up and hope that the inside didn't get much moisture in it. Looks like the windstorm hit inside, doesn't it? Oh, goodness. Okay. Yeah. I got some water in on around the door. Not good, not good. This part looks okay, though. But still, not quite what I wanted. Bought a new tarp. Let's hope the new tarp holds up. Disturbing. Okay, so what did I get? And unfortunately, I left this outside too. It's part of the sink, the bathroom cabinet, sink cabinet. Dang it, it got wet. And picked up a few supplies, another sanding sponge, because it's a little more abrasive than the other one I have. And this was a sharpening stone, which I thought would be handy to have. A little mallet. These are Dollar Tree items right here. So, and then I went to Home Depot. I got a bunch of these little screws for the cabinets. I'm going to have to paint them because they didn't have brass screws. And I did not want to have to run around everywhere looking for them. And these are latches for the doors. Oh, can't get anything out. Cold. It's 50 degrees in here. Okay, these are the drawer handles. They've cleaned up pretty nice. And latches. Come on, latchy, latchy. Yeah, they cleaned up pretty nice. Not all of them look like this, but that's okay. The vintage RV. And what I had to do with these was soak them overnight in Coke to get any rust off. And then I soaked them for a few hours in vinegar. So they cleaned up pretty nice. I was also really worried about this vent cover blowing off or leaking, but fortunately it stayed intact, and it doesn't look like it leaked. So that's good. Ah, shoot. Yeah, what the heck? Aw. Dang. I did get some water damage on that. I don't know where it came from. Oh, darn it. I was going to move these yesterday, too. And the storm came before I could do it. Ah, darn it. Okay, well, that looks like it's the only one that sustained any kind of damages. It's not really a bad damage. I'll just have to put another coat of paint on it. Not exactly what I wanted, though. I don't know where that could have came from. I really don't. Huh. No, that looks wet, but it's not. That is weird. Yeah, definitely moisture there. Yeah, that's wet. But what from? Oh, I got a little roof leak. Okay. Well, when the weather gets good, I'll have to get up on the roof and see what's going on. Yikes. I bought this at Walmart in the clearance aisle. I can't really tell you what I paid for it because I can't remember, but it wasn't very much. I just thought it would be handy because it lights up and I will be able to see. I had to put the screws back in. Cool. Okay, those are the screws I bought. I wish I could have found some brass, but that's okay. As long as, you know, whatever. I don't care. I'll paint them, like I said. And there's the latches. I hope they look okay against these doors because, yeah, they look okay. The colors, you know. Oh, well, that's okay. It'll work. Okay, so I'm going to put these back on the doors and hang them. Okay, I got one door up. Like I said, the latches aren't on this side yet. Maybe I should leave them open to cure more, though. I think I'll do that. That should be good. Okay, let's get the rest of the doors up. See how it looks. Like I said, I'm going to have to paint the screws because they stick out like little sore thumbs. Okay, so I got this cabinet door in. And I might paint that some more, but right now that's not my immediate concern. There we go. Okay. And I still have to put the latch on there. But I got those up. I might have gone with a different color had I thought about it, but that's okay. It'll still work. It's still going to be unique. And I might just bring in a few brass things to offset it. So I still have to rebuild the frame under here before I can put the drawers in. But I got the doors up. This one didn't want to go in right. Doesn't want to line up quite right. Well, I can see where that's lined up. So I'm having trouble with this bottom latch. There we go. Yeah, it's kind of off center. The top one's okay. You can see the hole there. Maybe the latch itself is kind of crooked. That's a possibility. Okay, I'll work on that a little bit. And this door panel, since it got a little bit of water damage, I'm going to have to put another coat of paint on it. Dang it. Oh well. At least now I know I have a roof leak to address. Right there, some water damage. And right there is some water damage. I don't see where that one's coming through though. Interesting, that would be over here. And I see no water up here. So I don't know, I'll have to put my camera in there, see? I don't know. To figure it out. But I think what I need to do is get some Eternabond, get up on the roof, clean it really well, and then seal it down. I got the handles put back on the drawers. They look nice. And this is a bottom cabinet for the under the sink area. But I can't put it together yet because I have to put the frame back on and figure it out. Okay, I figured out what my issues with the door was. I had the, these things when they were installed, you got to put them back in exactly the way they came out. I had reversed the doors. So now they're on. And now they open properly. The only thing I have to watch out for is that can only go so far. But that's okay. Maybe I put a little bumper or something up there. I don't know. Now the doors are installed. Alrighty. And I'm going to let them hang open somewhat to let them just cure more. It's like 50 degrees today. Crazy, crazy weather. Yeah, it's cold. See if I can get over here. I got my bins in the way. Okay, so yeah, it's cold today. So it's 52. And humidity is at 78%, which makes it even colder. That's what it looks like when the outdoor cover thing is down. And I looked inside the closet and it looks good. No more seeping through of nicotine or anything, so that's good. So that's properly sealed now. And yeah, we'll get this door up when I repaint it. Darn it. And of course I might just repaint that like I said, because it looks icky. Nobody see it. Nobody will see it, but still I know it's there. So, and then actually I still have the floor for the closet too, to put back in, to paint and put back in. But basically the bathroom is nearly finished. Well, as far as painting goes, it's all finished. But I still have to address this. This board down here has been cracking. You can actually see where the seam is on it. So every time I step on it, it cracks more and more. That has to be addressed. I really need to get a generator, I guess, and get it down here. Get all this cleaned up. Or I could put new tires on it and relocate it to where I have better access, and I might end up doing that. I'm at the top step of my ladder. Just kind of wanted to see if I could see the roof with the phone. Okay, that's as good as I can get because I'm not tall. And this is just not good. It is cold out here. Shoot, I guess I'm going to have to put all this stuff in my van wet. Oh well, I swear. I've already fallen off the ladder because I missed going down a step. Go figure. I like this ladder because I can stand on the top. But missing a step isn't fun. My feet are wet, my shoes are wet. I'm feeling pretty grumpy right now. I'm sorry. But this can be a challenge. I've got to get this thing fixed. It's getting overwhelming. I really want to get into this thing. Really want to get it finished. I have to take the window in. The window is my responsibility. I take that in to a glass shop and have a new window cut. And that way I can put the new window in. But the door, I have to rely on somebody else to fix. I cannot do that. Okay, so let's hope this holds. Please, please hold. Okay, live the life you love. Bye.